If your laptop fan sounds very loud, like a jet engine, don't worry. There's a simple way to reduce the noise in Dell Laptop. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open it, then change the view to large icons. Next, click on Power Options. You'll see your current power plan, usually called Balanced. Click Change Plan Settings, then choose Change Advanced Power Settings. A new window will open. Scroll down and find Processor Power Management. Inside this section, look for Maximum Processor State. This setting controls how much power your CPU can use. When the CPU runs at full power, it creates more heat. More heat makes the fan spin faster and louder. To reduce the fan noise, lower the maximum processor state to around 70%, 60%, or even 50%. If the option is locked, click Change Settings that are currently unavailable first. After making the changes, click Apply and restart your laptop. You may also need to let the laptop cool down for a few minutes before testing the results. For normal tasks like browsing, watching videos, or using Word and Excel, you probably won't notice much difference in performance. But for gaming or heavy editing, you may want to switch back to higher performance settings. You can even create different power plans, one for quiet everyday use and another for high performance. That's it. A small setting change can make your laptop much cooler and quieter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.